Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So yeah, on the ADA chart, we're still in this sideways range. I mean, overall on the micro level, the price is currently, you could say it's following expectations. We can talk about that in a minute, but overall here, if we zoom out a little bit, the price remains here in a sideways range, okay? So I was asked to provide a quick update about the long-term chart as well. We do that from time to time. I think I only did it recently, a few days ago. Actually, if you subscribe to the channel, then you get these updates continuously. But again, this is the daily chart, right? And it just shows us pretty much what is the main support area. So main support here goes down to 29 cents. So let me actually adjust that slightly. What I want to do is I want to take out the ones that we don't need anymore, just to make it a bit cleaner here. But yeah, it's pretty much that 29 cent level that is the last clear support for a larger degree wave 2 correction, and then a third wave could start from here, right? And we might, it might take us into that region in a third wave, $1.72 plus, okay? So that would be the minimum expectation for a third wave, but maybe higher, okay? So we don't know that yet. It depends on how the microstructures are unfolding. I have to say though, at the moment this is only a potential. This structure to the upside will become much more probable once the market forms a first 5-wave pattern to the upside from the August low. Now we haven't done that yet, okay? We know that altcoins can start to move up from very, very ugly structures. I mean, look at this, okay? So that was back in June. Also here, this was a 3-wave rally. So back then it was also just a 3-wave rally. So that's based on the context back then. We could say, okay, possibly this is a 1-2 setup here as well. Possibly it's a 1-2 setup. But really, because this would be part of a larger third wave, we would like to see impulsive price action, not another diagonal pattern. So I am watching if at least this wave 1 of 3 could be another diagonal, because it's not impulsive. It's not impulsive, and the structure really doesn't look in any way different to what we did here back in May. So while I am tracking the possibility for upside, it's not high confidence yet. We need to see some more upside momentum. And for the local structure here to remain valid, the August low needs to hold. So it gives you a very clear invalidation point. For the wider bullish setup, we need to hold the 22 cent level, which is the swing low from June last year. Now back to the smaller time frame, here we can see that the market followed, you could say expectations recently. I mean, the yellow structure here on the smaller time frame shows you what we need to see for that bullish scenario. We need a 5-wave move up. Don't get confused, it's a different wave degree here on the smaller time frame for various reasons, but it shows you that from this August low, we have an ABC structure in wave 1. But again, it's only a 3-wave move. Can we trust it? No. We have a wave 2, okay, forming a higher low, gives you a local invalidation point of 30.4 cents, 30.3 cents, another ABC rally. Does that give us high confidence that we're going up higher? No, but we have levels to watch, okay? The price then dipped into our support region to which we reacted. But as I said to you in the last updates, I'm watching for a rally into resistance or towards resistance. It takes a break above resistance to, trust the bullish count a bit more. Already a few days ago, one of my updates was about, here, you see that here, price already was starting to move towards resistance, okay? And I was tracking this ABC structure, and the idea was that the price goes towards this resistance, at least in the white count, possibly in the yellow count, that would be more bullish, but we were tracking here an ABC structure in wave 2. So going back to the live chart, you can see that this actually formed. We haven't reached the 50% retracement level yet, however. Now that could indicate that maybe this is morphing into a larger ABC. Okay, maybe this, yeah. Maybe some kind of a diagonal forms again, okay, but it's important, I think, to recognize the price moved from support, pretty much into resistance. I could also show you the 38.2 retracement level. I didn't do that. For me, it's more important to show you the level that, if broken to the upside, would unlock more bullish price action, and that's the 39.7 cent level. We are not even close, and actually we've seen a reaction after a 3-wave rally. So I'm actually watching if wave 2 has now topped. It takes a break below 33.3 cents, the October low to confirm that further. And then obviously I gave you all of these other levels already that can provide support, but there isn't really anything that is really actionable here. There's not really any bullish setup, locally at least not, okay? Locally not. For really a bullish, a classical, or let's say a classic bullish Elliott wave setup, we need a 5-wave move up followed by a 3-wave pullback. We haven't seen that. Actually, we've rather seen a possible 5-wave move down followed by a 3-wave rally. And that's actually rather short-term bearish, which is why I highlighted to you I'm primarily following the white count until the bulls can give me some additional signals like a break above 39.7 cents. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.